Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use ChatGPT to generate content ideas. Using ChatGPT to brainstorm content ideas is a smooth process that can help you unlock fresh perspectives and generate unique ideas. Here's a simple guide to get started. First method, access ChatGPT. Open your browser and navigate to ChatGPT, link in the description below. Sign in or sign up. Log into your account or create one if you're new. Next method, set up your content goals. Define your niche or audience. Have an idea of the topic or audience you're creating for. This will help tailor the prompts for ChatGPT. Determine content type. Identify the kind of content you need, like blog posts, social media ideas, YouTube video topics, or product descriptions. Another method, start brainstorming with ChatGPT. Ask for general ideas. For instance, try prompts like give me blog post ideas about sustainable living, or suggest Instagram content ideas for a food blog. Ask for trending topics. Use prompts like, what are some trending topics in tech right now, to get current and popular ideas. Request unique angles. To stand out, you might ask, suggest unique perspectives on travel blogging or uncommon topics in digital marketing. Another method, develop content ideas further. Expand on ideas. For ideas you like, prompt ChatGPT to dive deeper. For instance, expand on the idea of creating minimalist cooking videos, or what subtopics can I cover for a blog on mental health. Outline specific content. If you want a layout for an idea, create an outline for a video on beginner photography tips, or outline a blog on eco-friendly holiday tips. Another method, capture and organize ideas. Use note-taking apps, open Notepad, OneNote, or Google Docs on your Windows to record and save the ideas ChatGPT generates. Try Snap layouts for multitasking. Snap ChatGPT on one side of your screen and one note-taking app on the other for easy organization and real-time capturing. Tips for boosting idea generation. Experiment with AI creativity levels. Change the temperature setting, if available, on the platform for more creative or straightforward responses. Rephrase your prompts. Try different wording or request ChatGPT to make it even more unique to enhance creativity. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.